What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to your midday market update. Probably will be a little bit of a short one. Tomorrow we can talk about some more news, because what we'll do in this video is we'll talk about the main news of today. We'll talk about FTX, we'll talk about ETF. It doesn't matter that much. It matters more what Bitcoin is doing, and that's also where the doomsday title comes from, because Bitcoin is falling. We had a bit of a support right here around 62,000. That seems to be breaking. We're also still losing momentum, so it's quite likely that will break. So what we need to get is a very strong and solid reaction from Bitcoin soon. Otherwise, we can actually turn very, very bearish very soon. And we can drop back down below 61,000 and drop back down to the lows we made right here. So that's why I kind of want to grab your attention with the title to prepare you for that. Tomorrow we'll talk about some economic news. On Thursday we are getting some more economic news. Today only that some positive FTX news. That creditors will get 118% of their funds back, which is quite logical. I mean, FTX still had quite a lot of crypto, and most cryptos performs very, very well. And then they get 18% on top of what they had back then for the gains, which is still much less than the crypto market did. So it's not ideal for creditors, but it's more than nothing. So that's positive overall, even though there are some negative implications next to this, like how are they going to get the cash, sell off the assets maybe. And the ETF inflows yesterday were negative, slightly negative, not much, but still not great. So the key thing right now is that what you can see is that Bitcoin has turned relatively bearish. All right, you can see that we started some sort of a downtrend here. Now this might be a bullish channel, so that we will get a bullish breakout and that we can turn bullish again. This might also just be a reversal, and that's what we're trying to get at right now. All right, so the main support level that we are nearing is this level, I think, between 61,500 and then ultimately 60,800. That's the next support level. 62,000 and 62,400 was a relatively strong support level. But we did not really get that much of a reaction from that. All right, we initially got some support, but that support just led us to get a bearish break retest. So we're heading for that level, and the only way the market can stay bullish here is if from that level we actually get a solid reaction. All right, so we're going to drop down into that level. Can we actually see some sort of open interest, some momentum increase from there? Then great. All right, because then what we can focus on is some sort of a consolidation and perhaps a bullish breakout above 62,300 again, and then we are bullish. That's the ideal scenario. That's what we're waiting for. But initially what we need to see is that if we drop down into that support level around 61,000, can the open interest actually spike up? If yes, great, we can continue to be bullish. If not, and we'll see some sort of a slow bleed of the open interest of the momentum, then I have some bad news. Then there's a good chance that we'll just break down below that support level, and that we turn more bearish, and that will drop down lower towards 60,000, towards 59, towards 58 again. So that's the crucial thing. Now, what I usually do is I tell you which cryptos are best to trade. Right now, I don't want to do that, right? Because of the situation in the market, I would just wait for some confirmation. Right now, we are slightly being saved by the fact that the Bitcoin dominance is also falling. So that means that while Bitcoin is bearish, most altcoins are still relatively strong. But when that turns and if Bitcoin really starts to fall, then all altcoins will fall as well. All right, so if Bitcoin actually can find support and can turn bullish, then you can look at some cryptos to trade. For example, Rune has been relatively strong. Athena, obviously after the news, but also over the course of today, has been relatively strong. So Rune and Athena you can look at. And then there are also some more high risk cryptos to potentially trade, like Teller, which is still up there, even though we did have some sort of a spike down. But also a coin like Phoenix, PHB that is, or Reserve Rights, RSR, and even Luna 2.0. But like I said, it's best to just wait for some confirmation from the market right here, wait for Bitcoin to find support and hopefully even a bullish breakout. Then you can long some cryptos. Otherwise, I would be careful. And that's what you need to know for now. All right, so if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.